KGBV Atluru, Kadapa, YSR district. I am very happy to feel children through these online classes. Our KGBV Vidyalaya sir started a great opportunity to continue your studies through online classes, children. I hope you are very busy in playing games, children. And I think you are also enjoying. I think, is it okay, children? Is it okay? And I first congratulate you to promotion to the 10th standard, children. And most of you students feel bored by missing your friends, classes, teacher and school. I am sure you are also definitely missing your friends. But I cannot bring back here to your friends, students. I can bring a story of your new 10th standard book. I think you are very easier to watch your new textbook. This is your upcoming new textbooks, dear children. If you want to learn this one, yes, see here, some girls are standing near the trees. The textbook is full of greenery. On back side of the textbook we can see Ashoka Dharma Chakram and some monuments are there. In this textbook you have 6 units is there, children. Each and every unit has one good related theme, children. We should learn each and theme, understand it is very useful to in our life. This is very much. And our first unit is the very interesting story, children. There are so many stories related to our life. It is useful to in our lives also, children. Okay, children, let's we go. What is our first unit? Okay, first unit theme sheet. Okay, children. This is in our content, in our textbooks, we have the 6 units is there, children. 6 units is there. Okay, children, let's we go for the theme sheet of our first unit. Children, observe this picture. Look at this picture. What is this one? Our first unit, theme sheet, personality development. In first unit, there are 3 A readings is there. The first A reading is the attitude is altitude. B reading is the every success story is also a story of a great failure. C reading is the I will do it. Okay, let's understand what is the theme of the personality development. Personality means nothing but, children, quality of a person. Quality of a person. Development means growth. Personality development. Qualities of a personality is development. Children, you may have doubt come. How can we grow our personality? It is very easy, children. By giving away bad habits, acquire our good habits. Hey, once again, come on, repeat, children. Give away our bad habits, acquire the good habits. Children, are you understand what is meant by the personality? We are living in a society. We want to develop our personality. Then we should lead personality in this society. The society, we want to need the society. Society does not needs you. మనం సొసైటీలో ఉండాలంటే మంచి పర్సనాలిటీగా ఉండాలి. సొసైటీకి మనం అవసరం లేదు. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, లెట్స్ వి గో. వాట్ ఈస్ అవర్ ఫేస్ షేడ్? చిల్డ్రన్, అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ పిక్చర్. వాట్ ఈస్ అవర్ ఫేస్ షేడ్? See here, children. See here, observe this. Look at this picture first. What do you observe? Children, observe. Can you name this one? Can you tell me? Name this all persons. Yes. Sudha Chandran and Stephen Hawking and Helen Keller. Children, why today? Of course, she is a Bharatanatyam dancer. All of you know she is a dancer. Why we should talking about 3 persons only? Why? What is the speciality of these 3 persons, children? The 3 persons. These 3 persons have the special qualities. All these 3 persons are the physically disabled persons, children. Physically disabled persons. They lead their lives with their confident and discipline and vision, motto and etc. They lead successful in their lives. That's why today this people are talking about what is the quality of a Sudha Chandran. She is an accomplished Bharatanatyam dancer. She is an accomplished Bharatanatyam dancer. She lost her right leg in a road accident in Tirchi. She did not lose hope. With an artificial limb, courage and confidence and commitment, she continued hard work to performer of the Bharatanatyam. తన రైట్ లెగ్ ఒక రోడ్ యాక్సిడెంట్లో తిరుచిని అనే ఒక ఊరిలో జరిగినప్పటికీ, తను కాలు కోల్పోయినప్పటికీ కూడా తనకున్న ఆత్మవిశ్వాసము, ధైర్యంతో తన ఆ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ డాన్స్ ని అలాగే she was continue her dance. She can't lose her. Stephen Hawking suffered from the motor neuron disease. She has been suffering from a serious ailment called amyotrophic lateral serious disease. ఆయన ఒక నరాలకు సంబంధించిన ఒక వ్యాధితో ఆయన బాధపడుతున్నప్పటికీ కూడా he was get the depress. ఆయన డిప్రెస్ కాలేదు నాన్న. ఆయన అసలు వీల్ చైర్ లో నుంచి కదలలేని పరిస్థితి ఉన్నా కూడా ఆయన ఒక గొప్ప సైంటిస్ట్ అయ్యాడు. ఆయన బ్లాక్ హోల్స్ మీద చాలా బాగా ఆయన రీసెర్చ్ చేసి గొప్ప సైంటిస్ట్ అయినాడు. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో. వాట్ ఈస్ అవర్ థర్డ్ పర్సన్? షీ ఈస్ ద హెలెన్ కెల్లర్. వాస్ ద ఫస్ట్ డెఫ్ బ్లైండ్ got the earned the bachelor degree. She became an international famous on lecturer, author and a political activist. తను ఒక డెఫ్ బ్లైండ్ అయినప్పటికీ కూడా తను గొప్ప షీ వాజ్ అన్ ఆథర్ అండ్ పొలిటీషియన్ అండ్ యాక్టివిస్ట్. చిల్డ్రన్, తనకున్న ఆ డిసీజ్ని, ఆ డెఫెక్ట్ని, తనకున్న ఆ డిసేబిలిటీస్ అన్నీ కూడా తను పక్కన పెట్టేసి తను షీ వాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ డెఫ్ బ్లైండ్ got the bachelor degree. These people are became today. Why today all these 3 persons are learning means all these 3 persons are disabled persons. Children, let's go. Some given questions are there. The given questions is there. Okay, let's answer the children. Okay, what qualities have you made these persons great? What qualities have you these persons made? What qualities have you made these persons great? They worked hard and confident. All these persons are the physically challenged persons. వాళ్ళ యొక్క ఆత్మధైర్యము, వాళ్ళ యొక్క హార్డ్ వర్క్ వాళ్ళని గొప్పగా ఎదగడానికి, వాళ్ళ జీవితంలో ఒక సక్సెస్ఫుల్ పర్సన్స్ కావడానికి చిల్డ్రన్ వాళ్లకు తోడ్పడింది. Next we go for our second question, children. Are you understand why these people are great? All these 3 persons are the disabled persons. They worked very hard, confidence and discipline and motor, vision, everything. They leads their lives in their successfully. What is our second question, children? What qualities do you think a person requires to become the successful? ఒక మనిషి సక్సెస్ఫుల్ కావాలంటే ఎలాంటి క్వాలిటీస్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద క్వాలిటీస్ వీ వాంట్ టు బికమ్ ఏ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్స్? ఒక మంచి క్వాలిటీస్, ఒక మంచి పర్సన్గా మనం ఎదగాలంటే ఎలాంటి క్వాలిటీస్ డూ వాట్ వీ వాంట్, మనకి ఎలాంటి క్వాలిటీస్ ఉండాలి చిల్డ్రన్? ఎ పర్సన్ రిక్వైర్స్ ద యాటిట్యూడ్, విజన్, ప్లానింగ్, కరేజ్, కాన్ఫిడెంట్, డిసిప్లైన్ అండ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్. ఒక మంచి గుడ్ పర్సన్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ కావాలంటే మంచిగా యాటిట్యూడ్ ఉండాలి, మంచి విజన్, ప్లానింగ్ ఉండాలి. ఏదైనా ఒక వర్క్ చేయాలంటే కరెక్ట్గా ఒక విజన్ అనేది ఉండాలి. ధైర్యం, కరేజ్ మీన్స్ ధైర్యం. ఒక కాన్ఫిడెంట్, వీ కెన్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్స్. మనకు ఒక గట్టి కాన్ఫిడెంట్ అనేది ఉండాలి. మనం భయపడకుండా ఏది కానీ ఒక గట్టిగా కాన్ఫిడెంట్ అని ఉంటే దెన్ వీ షుడ్ లీడ్ అవర్ lives, then we should success in our lives with a great people. Okay children, I think you understand these two questions children. Okay children, let's we go for our lesson. Okay children observe this title, this one. What is our title children? Yes, very good. Attitude is altitude. Thus attitude is, hey, come on, once again repeat. Attitude is altitude. Children, you may have doubt come that these both words are when we are pronouncing same, but children, the meaning is different. Children, what do you mean by attitude? Attitude is nothing, the way of thinking. Attitude is nothing, the way of the thinking. Altitude means heights. Altitude means heights. Height going to. Our attitude decide our altitude. Our attitude decide our altitudes. మన యొక్క ప్రవర్తన, బిహేవియర్ మనల్ని ఎక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్తుంది? ఉన్నత స్థానానికి తీసుకెళ్తుంది. We are living, I am told First also, we are living in the society. మనం సొసైటీలో నివసిస్తున్నాం. మనం సొసైటీలో నివసించాలంటే మనకి ఏముండాలా? We are the good attitude. మన యొక్క యాటిట్యూడ్ మంచిగా ఉంటేనే మనం సొసైటీలో మంచిగా ఎదగడానికి, మనం రావడానికి, ఉన్నత స్థానానికి చేరుకోవడానికి మనం వీలు ఉంటుంది నాన్న. ఓకేనా? యువర్ యాటిట్యూడ్ ఇస్ డిసైడెడ్ యువర్ ఆల్టిట్యూడ్. మీ యొక్క బిహేవియరే మిమ్మల్ని ఎక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్తుంది? మంచిగా ఉన్నత స్థానానికి తీసుకెళ్తుంది. చిల్డ్రన్, ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద థీమ్ ఆఫ్ ద టైటిల్? మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద attitude is altitude. Okay, note down children, what is meant by attitude and altitude? Children, or you understand the meaning of the attitude and altitude? Attitude is a settled way of thinking or feeling about something. Altitude means great height. Then we go for a glossary of this lesson. Children, glossary of the first A reading. Skateboard, a short narrow board with a small wheel at each end which you stand on and ride as a sport. చిన్న చక్రాలు గల బళ్ళ చెక్క దానిపై నిలబడి పరిగెడుతూ ఉంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్కేట్ బోర్డ్. సర్ఫ్, టు టేక్ పార్ట్ ఇన్ ద స్పోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ రైడింగ్ ఆన్ వేవ్స్ ఆన్ ఏ సర్ఫ్ బోర్డ్. అలల మీద సర్ఫ్ బోర్డుపై ఆడే ఆటనేమంటాం మనము? సర్ఫ్. టోసో, the main part of the body, not include the head, arms or legs. This meaning is very very important nana. Okay, తల, చేతులు, కాళ్ళు లేని మొండాన్ని ఏమంటాము? టోర్సో అంటాం. చికెన్, డ్రమ్ స్టిక్, the lower part of the leg of a chicken or other bird that is cooked and eaten as a food. చికెన్ యొక్క కాలి అడుగు భాగాన్ని ఏమంటారు? చికెన్ డ్రమ్ స్టిక్ అంటారు. క్లబ్, ఏ హెవీ స్టిక్ విత్ వన్ ఎండ్ థిక్కర్ దాన్ ద అదర్. ఒక బరువైన కర్రను గోల్ఫ్ ఆడుకునేటప్పుడు మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా, ఆ స్టిక్ని ఏమంటాము? క్లబ్ అంటాం. అడ్వర్సిటీ, ఏ డిఫికల్ట్ ఆర్ అన్ప్లీజంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద అడ్వర్సిటీ. అడ్వర్సిటీ మీన్స్ కష్టాలు. పర్సర్వెన్స్, ద క్వాలిటీ ఆఫ్ continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite the difficulties. difficulties అంటే పట్టుదలతో ఏ పనైనా ఎంత కష్టం వచ్చినా చేయడాన్ని పర్సర్వెన్స్ అంటారు. పర్సర్వెన్స్ అంటే పట్టుదల. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ నోట్ డౌన్ ద glossary of this lesson. Okay next we go for our lesson. Imagine the difficulty of in our lesson. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning to help to scratch that itch to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Children, just close your eyes. Imagine what will happen we don't have the no arms. When we get up in the early in the morning, what do we want to do? We stretch the hands. We stretch the hands in the morning. When we feel the itch to here, we scratch them to allow. Whenever we want to allow to wrap to your loved around your loved ones. మార్నింగ్ లేస్తూనే మనం మమ్మీ అని చెప్పి మదర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి పట్టుకుంటాం. జస్ట్ ఇమాజిన్, వీ కాంట్ డూ ఆల్ దీస్ వర్క్స్ వితౌట్ ఆర్మ్స్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఇమాజిన్ హ్యావింగ్ నో లెగ్స్ టు kick the pebbles down the street, to walk or run, to bicycle or skateboard, or get you from point A to point B. Imagine children, what happened if we don't have the legs, we don't kick the pebbles, and we don't walk or run, we don't ride a bicycle or skateboard. From point A to B means from one place to another place. We don't go anywhere here. That's why we don't go anywhere from anywhere without the legs. Then imagine both at once. Just here, what is the both here? What is the both here children? Legs, arms and legs. Imagine. Then imagine both at once. No arms and legs. Which is what Nick Vujicic has faced his whole life. Have you heard something like this before? అలా నిక్ వూయిచిక్ అలా తన యొక్క జీవితాన్ని పూర్తిగా కూడా నిక్ వూయిచిక్ హీ వాస్ ఫేస్డ్ హిస్ హోల్ లైఫ్ వితౌట్ ఆర్మ్స్ అండ్ లెగ్స్. ఆయనకు కాళ్ళు చేతులు లేనప్పటికీ కూడా నిక్ తన హోల్ లైఫ్నంతా కూడా ఇలాగే కలిపాడు. హ్యావ్ యూ హియర్డ్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ బిఫోర్? నో, వీ డోంట్ హియర్ వితౌట్ ద ఆర్మ్స్ అండ్ లెగ్స్ అండ్ no arms and legs like this any stories before here. Children, observe this picture. He is Nick's speech at a stadium. Nick, he is a motivational speaker. He give hope to the others. He give encourage to the others. He born with a torso without arms and legs. Okay, we go for the description of the Nick. Nick Vujicic was born with no arms or legs. Nick was born with no arms or legs. But he doesn't let the details stop him. The brave, but the details stop him. The brave, who is brave here? The Nick. Nick, 26 years old, who is mainly torso. I told you, I introduced the word, the meaning of the torso. Torso means tala, కాళ్ళు చేతులు లేని భాగాన్ని ఈ ముండంను ఏమంటాము? టోర్సో అంటాం. He plays the football and golf, swims and surfs despite having the no limbs. డిస్పైటింగ్ అయినప్పటికీ కాళ్ళు లేనప్పటికీ ఆయన ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? హీ ప్లేస్ ద నిక్ ప్లేస్ ద football and golf and he can swims and surfs despite having the no limbs. Nick has a small foot on his left hip which helps him to balance and enables him to kick. How can the Nick balance? Nick balance with his small foot. He uses his one foot to type, write with a pen and pick things up between his toys. I call it my chicken drumstick, joked the Nick. Here, I call it my chicken drumstick. Here it means what, children? Nick's small food, joked the Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I would be lost without it. Children, where was the Nick was born? Nick was born in Melbourne, Australia, but Nick was living in Los Angeles. Okay, children, next to, okay, look at this picture, Nana. Nick was born without arms and legs, but he can play the football. He can play the football. He can play the golf. He can swim. Despite he has no the limbs and arms, he can play. He can swim. He can go. He can play the football, and he can do everything. He don't have the arms and legs. తన కాళ్ళు చేతులు లేనప్పటికీ కూడా ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? హీ వాజ్ డూయింగ్ ఆల్ దిస్ వర్క్స్. చిల్డ్రన్ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ పిక్చర్. హీ కెన్ ప్లేస్ ద ఫుట్బాల్, గోల్ఫ్, బ్రషెస్ హిస్ టీత్, వాష్ హిస్ హెయిర్, స్విమ్స్, సర్ఫ్స్. He also skates on the skateboard also. See here, observe in this picture. He can type with his small foot. See here, we can do like this. No, we can't do like this. Without arms and legs, we can't do like this. See here. See, observe this picture, children. Nick's small foot. Nick, he lift up. On his, where is the Nick's small foot? On his left hip. He can balance his small foot. He kick the peppers to his small foot. He can type with his small foot. He pick up the things his small foot. Nick's always was joked. What he is joked? He joked his small foot to the chicken drumstick. He lost without it. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఆయన వదిలిపోయినప్పటికి కూడా ఆయన he lost his hope. Okay, children, next we go for another paragraph. Birth and schooling. Water sports aren't Nick's only things. He tucked under his chin and is a huge fan of the English Premier Leagues. ఆయన ఒక స్విమ్ ఈ సర్ఫ్ ఇవి కాదు. ఆయన అవే కాదు నాన్న. ఆయన he is the fan of the English Premier League. English Premier League means football league. His parents decided not to send him to a special school. A decision, he said, was very sad for him, but which may have been the best decision they could have made for him. What is the Nick's parents decided? Nick's parents decided to not send to him to a special school. వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ ఏం చేశారు? తనని స్పెషల్ స్కూల్కి పంపించకూడదని చెప్పి డిసైడ్ అయ్యారు. ఇట్ వాజ్ సో హార్డ్ ఫర్ ఇన్ ద స్టార్టింగ్, బట్ విచ్ మే హ్యావ్ బీన్ ద బెస్ట్ డెసిషన్ దే కుడ్ హ్యావ్ మేడ్ ఫర్ హిమ్. చివరికి ఆ డెసిషన్ గుడ్ అని చెప్పి తను దట్ టైమ్ నిక్ వాజ్ రియలైజ్డ్. వెన్ నిక్ వాజ్ బోర్న్, హిస్ ఫాదర్ వాజ్ సో షాక్డ్ that he left the hospital room to vomit. Why was Nick father was so shocked? Because Nick was born without no arms and legs. When the Nick was born, his father was so shocked when saw the Nick. He went to the hospital room and to vomit. His distraught mother, distort. What is the meaning of distort? Distort means upset. His distraught mother could not bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. 4 months old. తను 4 months వచ్చేంత వరకు కూడా వాళ్ళ మదర్ ఏం చేసేసింది, తనను అప్సెట్తో, చాలా అప్సెట్తో తనను కనీసము హీ కెనాట్ హోల్డ్ టు హిస్ బేబీ. వై? బికాస్ Nick was born without all arms and legs. Nick was a torso. That's why Nick's mother was get the very upset. Okay children, see here, observe, it's a small foot. It is called the Nick's small foot. Okay children, we go for another paragraph. This disability, what is disability here children? His disability means Nick's torso came without any medical explanation, a rare occurrence. Here what is the meaning of rare? Arudaina. A rare occurrence called the phocomelia. What is the Nick's disease here? Phocomelia. What is the meaning of phocomelia? Phocomelia means baby getting birth without having legs and arms. What is the meaning of, hey, once again repeat the meaning of the phocomelia. Baby getting birth without arms and legs. Phocomelia means, it is very very important, Nana. Okay, and Nick and his parents spent many years asking why this cruel trick. Here what is the meaning of, here what is meant by cruel trick? Nick's phocomelia children would happen to them. Here who is them here children? Them means here Nick's parents. My mother was a nurse. Whose mother was nurse children? Nick's mother. Nick's mother was a nurse and she did everything right during pregnancy, but she still blamed herself, she said. Children, are you understand this paragraph? Why Nick's mother was blamed herself? ఎందుకు తనని తానే blamed అంటే నిందించుకుంటూ ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకు? Because he was given a birth to the torso. తనకు కాళ్ళు చేతులు లేకుండా he gave a birth to a torso. That's why she blamed herself children. It was so hard for them, but right from the start they did not their best to make to me independent. It was very hard to them when Nick was born without no arms and legs. It is very hard for the Nick's parents, but from starting onwards Nick's parents were decided to make to him the independent. My dad put me in water at 18 months. See here children, 18 months. At the age of the 18 months, Nick dad put him the water and give courage to learn how to swim. What is the meaning of the here children? Courage means it is nothing but dhairyam. He gave a courage and encourage to how to swim at the 18 months old. I also got really into football and skateboarding. I totally love the English Premier League. Nick's father was what was Nick's father here? Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant. What is the children? What was the Nick's father? Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant, and he taught his little son how to type with his toys are just 6 years old. 6 years old. అలా ఒక 6 years ఓల్డ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడే వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ ఏం చేశారు, నిక్స్ ఫాదర్ he taught how to type with his little toys. His mom invented a special plastic device that meant he could hold a pen and a pencil. His Nick's mother was invented a special plastic device. It hold to a pen and pencil. And Nick can easily hold it, and he can easily write and draw anything to it for easy for the Nick to hold, because he don't have the arms. He invented a special plastic device to his son. Nick, in this paragraph, Nick father was he how to swim he was learn, and how to type the with his toys he taught how to. And Nick mother was he made a special plastic device to his son. Okay children, are you understand? Okay children, see here, look at the picture children. This is Nick's mother. What is Nick's mother? Nick's mother was a nurse. Why? She was so shocked. Nick was born with a torso. Until 4 months old, he could not hold his son. He is a distort. Distort means, I told you. What is the children? What is the meaning of children? Distort. Distort means, yes, very good, upset. The meaning of distort means upset. Okay, next we go for another picture. He is none other than Nick's father. Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant. And when the Nick was born, he went to the hospital room and vomit. Children, note down these all important points. It is very important, very very important to this chapter. Okay children. Okay, next we go for another paragraph. Nick's parents support. Nick's father was a, I told you, computer programmer and accountant. Okay, we already learned that one. Depressed. What is the meaning of depressed children? Depressed means vicharamu, bada, sad, and they all meanings will come. Despite the risk of the bullying. What is the meaning of bullying children? Bullying means less powerful, less పవర్ఫుల్, ఏదో బలహీనపరచడమో చిన్నవాణి తేయడమో అలా. డిస్పైట్ అంటే అయినప్పటికీ. డిస్పైట్ ద రిస్క్ ఆఫ్ ద బుల్లింగ్ హిస్ పేరెంట్స్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ నిక్ అటెండెడ్ ద మెయిన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్కూల్. What here the meaning of the mainstream school means a school that is attended by majority of the students. What is the meaning of the mainstream school? A school that is attended by majority of the school. ఎక్కువ మంది చదివే స్కూల్స్ని, ఎక్కువ మంది పిల్లలు వెళ్తున్న స్కూల్స్ని ఏమంటారు? మెయిన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్కూల్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ డైలీ మనం వెళ్ళే స్కూల్స్ని ఏమంటాము? మెయిన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్కూల్. It was the best decision. What is here? It means it. What decision here? Yes. Nick parents was send him to a mainstream school. That decision. Here, what is the best decision here? Nick's parents decided to send him to the mainstream school, not sent to the special school. They could have made for me as Nick's, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. What did the Nick's do? Which degree was Nick done? In financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me the independent. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఆయనకు ఒక ఇండిపెండెంట్గా, హీ కాంట్ డిపెండ్ టు ద ఎనీ అదర్ పర్సన్ ఫర్ ఎనీ వర్క్. దట్స్ వై హీ ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ Nick's parents decided to do the independent. Nick, who was teased and bullied, teased అంటే making jokes, make a funs, and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility. Mobility means movement from one place to another place, and a team of the carriers to help him. Nick Nick want to go from one place to another place for his mobility. He went to for his electric wheelchair for mobility. I was deeply depressed. Who is I here? I means here Nick. Nick was deeply depressed. Why Nick was deeply depressed, children, here? Because nothing but Nick was born with a torso. That's why he was deeply depressed. When I was 8 years old, he said, I went to my mom crying and told her I wanted to kill myself. When then at the age of the 8 years old, Nick was deeply depressed because he was torso. That's why he went to his mom and told to his mom, I want to kill myself. That is the Nick depressed, trying to be independent. Okay, children, how we know Nick was to be independent? I felt cold and bitter. What is the meaning of I felt cold and bitter? Cold and bitter means తీవ్ర విచారము. Cold and bitter, తీవ్ర నిరాశతో. Cold and bitter. I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents weren't there to look after for me. He was very depressed. He hated the God. Why, children? Why Nick hated God? Because he feels God made like this. Because God has given to birth without the arms and legs. అలా ఎందుకు తను నిరాశతో ఉన్నాడు, భగవంతుని హేట్ చేస్తున్నాడు? ఎందుకు? తనను టోర్సోగా పుట్టించాడని చెప్పి, కాళ్ళు చేతులు లేకుండా పుట్టించాడని చెప్పి నిక్ వాస్ గెట్ డిప్రెస్డ్. దట్స్ వై నిక్ హేటెడ్ ద గాడ్ for doing like this to me and was terrified of what would happen if my parents weren't to look after for me. Look after, this is the phrasal verb, look after means సంరక్షించడం, చూసుకోవడం. ఇక్కడ Nick was worried, if my parents is not there, who will to look after for me? నన్ను ఎవరు చూసుకుంటారు అని Nick was very feel and depressed. I could brush my own teeth with a wall-mounted brush and wash my own hair with a pump action soap. But there was so much that was impossible for me. Nick was do all these things. He can brush his teeth and he can wash his own hair with a pump action. That is that he can't feel, it was the impossible for the Nick. Okay. Sorry, children. Okay, children, trying to give up his life. At age 10, Nick tried to drown himself in the bath, but luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. At the age of the 8 years also, Nick was get the depressed, and at the age of 10, Nick was tried to drown himself at the bathtub, but the attempt was unsuccessfully. Luckily the attempt was unsuccessfully. I felt there was no purpose. When you lack purpose and strength, it is hard to hold on, he said. It is hard to hold on. Nick feel too hard to like this too in this world, because he was the torso. But with the help of his religion, friends and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of the triumph of adversity. వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ యొక్క రిలేటివ్స్ యొక్క with the help of their friends and family, Nick managed to he became the adversity. He became the symbol of the adversity. With the help of his family members and friends, they gave very courage and encourage to the Nick. And Nick became the international symbol of the adversity. Children, okay, let's go for our another paragraph. Words of the life. When I was 13 years old, I read a newspaper article. Here, who is I here, children? Who read the newspaper? Nick. What years Nick was read the newspaper article? At the age of the 13 years. About a disabled man who had managed to achieve get things and help others, said the Nick. Who has when did Nick was 13 years old, he read a newspaper article about a disabled man. He achieved the great things. Who is achieved the great things? That disabled man. You help the others, said the Nick. I realized. When the Nick was realized, when that newspaper article was read, that time the Nick was realized. He want to realize at that time. He want to give the hope to the other. It was so inspirational to me. It was so inspirational to me. What is the inspirational news here? That disabled man's newspaper article was so inspirational to the Nick. To me, that I decided. Who is I here? Nick. Nick decided to use his life to the encourage and other people and give them to the courage. Encourage and courage. Encourage ante ఇతరులను ఉత్సాహపరచడం. Courage ante ధైర్యం. That the article had given me this. Children, observe this. Then listen carefully. Okay. That newspaper article was given courage and encourage to this Nick's life in his whole life. Okay. Children, okay, let's go. Next, mindset. I decided to be thankful for what I do have. What is the meaning of what I do have? What I do have. ఇక్కడ I do have అంటే తనకున్నవి, తనకు ఏమున్నాయి? తనకు చక్కగా కళ్ళు ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని ఫేస్ ఉన్నాయి. వాట్ ఐ డూ హ్యావ్. నాట్ గెట్ యాంగ్రీ అబౌట్ వాట్ ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్. వాట్ ద నిక్స్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్? Nick don't have arms and legs. Nick don't have the. Okay, he not get angry. He don't have the arms and legs. Be thankful what he do have. I looked myself in the mirror and said, you know what the verse is right that I have no arms and legs, but they will never take away the beauty of my house. Nick was decided. He never take the beauty of my eyes. I wanted to concentrate on something good. I wanted to concentrate on something good that I had. నాకున్న మంచి కండ్లను నేను మంచి వాటి మీద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేస్తాను అని చెప్పి నిక్ అనుకున్నాడు. దట్ ఈస్ ద నిక్స్ మైండ్ సెట్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నిక్స్ అవార్డ్స్. వాట్ ద నిక్ వాజ్ రిసీవ్డ్. ద ఛాలెంజెస్ in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. Conviction is nothing but beliefs. They are not there to run us over, said Nick. In the year of 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. In the year of the 1990, Nick won the award, Australian Young Citizen Award. For what he was win that award means for his bravery and perseverance. తనకున్న పట్టుదల ధైర్యానికి ఆస్ట్రేలియా వాళ్ళు యంగ్ సిటిజన్ అవార్డ్ని ఇచ్చారు. ఓకే, ఇన్ ది ఇయర్ వెన్ కిడ్స్ రన్ అప్ టు మీ అండ్ ఆస్క్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, ఐ జస్ట్ లీన్ over and whisper cigarettes. He laughed. Children, when the children came to and asked them what happened, just learn to. Children, we go for what the funny incidents in Nick life. And once I was in a car. Who was in a car? Nick. And a girl at traffic lights was giving me the eye. He could only see my head. Once in a car, the Nick was sitting in a car, in a car. One in a traffic, the girl was he could only see his Nick's face. She could only my head. So I decided to do a 360 in a car seat to freak her out. The means freak her out. What is meant by freak her out? To fear, fear, afraid. Freak her out. 360 in the car seat అంటే చుట్టూ ఒక రౌండ్ తను కూర్చొని అలా చూద్దారు. She feel very freak her out. Her face was like, wow, what is going on? She speed off really quickly. అక్కడి నుంచి తను వెంటనే వెళ్ళిపోయింది. She can't know what is going on here. We can't do. మనం కూర్చొని కార్లో అలా చేయగలుగుతామా? We can't do like that. She speed off really quickly. అక్కడి నుంచి తను తొందరగా వెళ్ళిపోయింది. తనకి ఏం జరుగుతుందో అక్కడ, తను ఏం చేస్తుందో కూడా తనకు అక్కడ తెలియటం లేదు. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఓకే, let's we go for the achievements of the Nick. Nick began traveling the world, and in 2008 he went to Hawaii and met surfing master Bethany Hamilton, who had her arm bitten off by a shark when he was 12 years old. When in the year of the 2008, Nick went for Hawaii and he met with the surfing master Bethany Hamilton. Here, Bethany Hamilton, what is the name of his surfing master? Bethany Hamilton. Children, note down the surfing master name, Bethany Hamilton, who had her arm bitten off by a shark. Here, Bethany Hamilton arm was bitten by a shark when he was at the age of the 12. ఆమె ఒక 12 years old ఉన్నప్పుడు తన షార్క్ అంటే చేప. చిల్డ్రన్ యు నో, తన యొక్క చెయ్యిని ఏం చేసేసింది? ఆ షార్క్ చేప తనను చెయ్యిని కొరికేసేసింది. She was amazing, said Nick. Who taught the surfing to Nick? Bethany Hamilton. She taught me how to surf, and I was terrified at first. But once I got up there, it felt absolutely fantastic, and I caught some waves pretty well. Nick quickly learned how to do 360 degrees spins on his board, a feat that got him on the. Nick quickly learned 360-degree spins on the surfing board. Cover of the Surf magazine within 48 hours. అలా 300 స్పిన్ చేసేసి వితిన్ 48 అవర్స్లోనే ఆయన యొక్క పేరు ఆ సర్ఫ్ మ్యాగజైన్ మీద వచ్చింది నాన్న. ఓకే, హూ ఈస్ నిక్స్ సర్ఫింగ్ మాస్టర్? బెత్నీ హ్యామిల్టన్. ఓకే, we go for next paragraph. Surfing is fun for him. No one has ever done in the history of the surfing. ఎవ్వరు కూడా ఇటువంటిది అలా ఆ సర్ఫింగ్ బోర్డ్ మీద 300 degrees స్పిన్ అనేది ఎవరు కూడా అలా చరిత్రలో ఎవరు కూడా చేయలేదు. He said, but I have a very low center of the gravity, so I have got pretty good balance. కానీ he can balance with his small foot with he can balance with his small foot. తన యొక్క చిన్న పాదంతోనే తను ఆ అలల మీద తన సర్ఫింగ్ అనేది చాలా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తూ తను చక్కగా సర్ఫింగ్ అనేది నేర్చుకున్నాడు. నో వన్ హ్యాస్ ఎవర్ డన్ దట్ ఇన్ హిస్టరీ ఆఫ్ ద సర్ఫింగ్. ఎవ్వరు కూడా అలా చేయలేదు. టూర్ అండ్ throughout the world. He had visited the different countries' children, not only the Melbourne and Australia. He has visited the different countries all over the world. ప్రపంచమంతా కూడా ఆయన తిరిగారు. The football fan. Nick was in the first. He is the fan of the English Premier League. Now the football fan is now a motivational speaker. Nick is a motivational speak and he give hope to the others, and he give encourage and courage to the other people, and motivational speaker, and has traveled to over 24 countries, speaking to groups of up to the 1,10,000 people. He traveled over the he traveled in nearly 24 countries and speaking to groups up to the 1,10,000 people, and he gave his speeches to give the encouragement to other peoples, and he traveled throughout the world. He sees children. Look at this picture. Look at the stadium. See, full of their people are there sitting. Children, he made his movement. He moved to the Los Angeles 2 years ago and plans to continue to travel the world. What he planned? He want to continue the world. This year he will visit the South America and the Middle East. He visit South America and Middle East also, children. Okay. He moved in the 2008. Kane Miyahara, a beautiful young girl whose mother was a Mexican and whose father was a Japanese, attended to a meeting where Nick was the guest speaker in tax. Kane was attracted to Nick's message. Kane was attracted to the Nick's message. Who is Kane here? Nick, a beautiful Kane Miyahara was a beautiful young girl. Nick's Kane Miyahara mother was a Mexican and father was a Japanese. He attracted to the Nick's message, and where is the Nick was giving his message in the speaking in tax. Kane was very attracted to the Nick's message. Okay, children. And that time they will in touch with each other to share their ideas. Time they were in touch with each other to share their ideas and giving hope to the needy, and they become close friends. Here, look, Kane Miyahara. Finally, Nick fell in love with Kane Miyahara, and their engagement happened in August 2011. Nick put the engagement ring on Kane's finger with his mouth and then said the most beautiful words every girl wants to hear coming out from her man's mouth: "Baby, I love you." Here, when Nick was the message of the Nick: if I fail, I try again and again and again. If you fail, or you going to try again. The human spirit can handle much then we realize it matters how we are going to finish. Are you going to finish strong? Said Nick. Nick messaged to us. He want to, if we fail, you try again and again, and you are going to finish strong. Said Nick message was telling. Nick's message. Nick was, what was the Nick message? Nick was, he want to tell, మనం ఎక్కడన్నా కానీ ఏదైనా ఫలితమో మనం ఫెయిల్ అయితే మళ్ళీ ప్రయత్నించండి. దెన్ ద హ్యూమన్ స్పిరిట్ కెన్ హ్యాండిల్ మచ్ వర్స్ దాన్ వీ రియలైజ్. మానవుని యొక్క ప్రయత్నము ముందు ఏది కూడా పని చేయదు అని చెప్పి ఆయన చెప్తున్నాడు. ఐ టెల్ పీపుల్ టు కీప్ ఆన్ గెట్టింగ్ అప్ when they fall and to always love themselves, he said. Nick was told this one. What is Nick's winner? If I can encourage just one person, then my job in this life is done. నిక్ ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు? జస్ట్ ఒక పర్సన్ కన్నా ఎంకరేజ్ ఇస్తే నేను నా యొక్క జాబ్ సక్సెస్ అయినట్లు. If I can encourage just one person, then my job in this life is very done. Ala Nick, he was giving hope to the others and he was encouraged to other people and courage he was. Ala ఇతరులకు ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ ధైర్యాన్ని ఇస్తూ అలా తన టోర్సో అయినప్పటికీ కూడా ఇతరులకు ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ తన స్పీచ్తో throughout the world he was giving his speeches. Children, observe, he has won his race. What about you? He has won his race. What about you? మన యొక్క రేస్ ఏంది? అలా children, you may have the good attitude and you want to your vision and discipline. ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నప్పుడే మీరు కూడా లైఫ్లో చక్కగా సాధించగలుగుతారు. 10th క్లాస్ మీరు అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద 10 డిసిప్లైన్, కమిట్మెంట్, కాన్ఫిడెంట్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం పాజిటివ్గా యాడ్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడే, మనం పాజిటివ్ యాటిట్యూడ్తో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం చక్కగా సాధించగలిగి మనం 10th క్లాస్లో మీరు 10th క్లాస్లో చక్కగా మార్కులు తెచ్చుకోగలుగుతారు నాన్న. ఓకేనా? ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, వన్స్ అగైన్ వీ షుడ్ రీకాల్ about the Nick. Where was the Nick born, children? Nick was born in Melbourne, Australia and lives in Los Angeles in America. Nick has no arms, no legs. What is the disease of the neck? This disease name is the phocomelia. Children, note down. Okay children, observe this one clearly. Nick was he became a motivational speaker. When Nick was born, no arms and legs. The disease of the Nick is phocomelia. He was teased and bullied. He tried to drown in a bathtub at the age of the 10, but this attempt was luckily unsuccessful. He was when the 8 years old, Nick was deeply depressed. He went to his mom and told his mom he wanted to kill himself. Because why the Nick was depressed? Because he was a torso. He learnt the swimming at 18 months. His father was give the guidance to how to learn the swimming at the 18-month old. He learnt the typing he learned how to type with his small foot at the age of the 6 years old. He can play football, he can play the golf, he can play the surfing, he can skate on the skateboard, he can write also. He inspired by a newspaper article when he read about the disabled man and he got the degree in financial degree. Children, what is the motto? What is the message of the next? If I fail, try again and again. Children, observe this picture. Okay, once again, note down all these points. Okay, children. Okay, children. Let's find out the answers. Let's find out the answers, children. When did Nick win the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award? Who was Bethany Hamilton? Who inspired Nick learning surfing? What are the other achievements that Nick could attain? Children, are you understand? Okay, children, I hope you are also understand our first lesson. Attitude, our A reading is the attitude is on altitude. Children, let's find this question answers and write in your notebooks. Okay, children? Okay, children. Children, are you understand about Nick? Okay, let's write the given questions answers, children. Okay, thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye.